One, two, three, funk it.
Hey there, it's Hechanova. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing my first ever try on haul, and it's an Ukay Ukay try on haul. So most of them are in pastel colors and yung mga Korean-ish fashion, yung mga trendy Korean outfits lately. And I think most of them are Korean brands, or if not, Japanese or Chinese brands. So the price range is around 80 to 350 pesos. Yes, I know it's expensive, especially for an Ukay Ukay because it's second hand. But hindi ko naman bibilin if hindi worth it. Unless, hashtag impulse buying. So meron akong dress na kuha na it's for 250 pesos. Which, I mean, I don't know why I bought it. Siguro it's because of the color, kasi like lahat pastel yung kinuha ko. But I don't know why. I will just show it to you later. So, let's see. And by the way, those clothes behind me are the Ukay Ukay clothes that I will be showing you later. So enough with the intro and let's get started. So the first item that we got here is this off-shoulder top with a strap. So this strap was actually long, so I asked my mom to sew it for me, so now it fits. It fits me right. So the shoulder part is garterized and it has this puffy design right here. And it's in gray and white cloth. So the fabric made for this top was really thick. As you can see right here that there's something inside, which I don't know what to call it. So it has this pearl designs right here in front, para hindi lang siya like simple plaid, like ganito lang. So it has this design. But what I hate here is that every time I raise my hand, it also like goes out because it's garterized here. Well, it's the off-shoulder problem. Always! So the next top that we got here is another off-shoulder. Well, from your off-shoulder girl. And it has this pink flower designs right here with a blue leaves. So it's garterized here again in the shoulder part, like same kanina. And it has this ribbon right here. So the sleeves are also long. Parehas kanina yung other top, but it has this like flowy, puffy design, and it seems kind of formal. So the fabric made for this top is thin kasi see-through siya. You can see my hand right here. But when you wear it with your inner, it goes well naman. So it doesn't really like shows talaga like that super see-through, like not like that. So the next one that we got here is this long sleeve striped top. Like yung mga uso ngayon that has this folded something in here. Like it's already sewn. It has a collar and two buttons right here. Don't mind my dog. This one's actually big for me, but it's okay kasi like parang style din siya. And I can just fold it naman. And you can just button it up if you want to, or just leave it like that, or just put some accessories like necklace na like yung madaming necklace. The one like 3 something, like layers, yes. Like there's 3 layers, then you can just one that we got here is this sleeveless lazy velvet top. And I love it when paired with like white inner turtleneck or black turtleneck inside. Actually, looks like lingerie. Lingerie. Finally. And has this like velvet texture right here. So it has this like lacy accent right here, and it's in gold. Not really gold, but something like dark, parang like dirty yellow style. Yes. And I also have a dress later that still looks like this, pero in black. This is the dress that I'm talking about. I also got this from Ukay, and if you saw my conquest vlog, then I'm using this one on the day one with a brown turtleneck inside. So it also has this like lacy accent right here. Same with this one. Pero like all black talaga siya. And guys, the fabric is really nice. Like super high quality niya. I bought this for around 180 pesos. And it's definitely a steal, guys. Like I was finding these types of dresses or these types of tops, pero wala akong nakita. Or if meron nga in Forever 21 or H&M, but it costs like 800 to 1K, and I think that's really expensive. I know the quality is also nice, but guys, for 180 pesos, it's really a steal.
We could spin it all, you don't have to be alone. She said, I'm killing time.
So the next one that I will show to you is the one that I'm talking about earlier, na hindi ko alam bakit binili ko to. Charan! So it's an off-shoulder dress, the same with a strap. So it's in blue and white plaid. So like parang plaid lahat ng kinuha ko. And it has this like puffy sleeves right here also. And some buttons right here, pero they don't act like a button talaga, like design lang siya. And the left side may zipper siya. So, hindi kasi ito pwede fit. So, I was like doing this the whole time at the mirror. I was actually contemplating at first kung bibilhin ko ba to or not. But, well, I ended up buying it. I don't know why. This is the hashtag impulse buying. And the next one that I got is a jumpsuit, which is definitely a steal also. So it's a formal jumpsuit. It has a zipper right here. So I can wear this with an inner turtleneck or just wear as it is. It's really cute. So the straps are quite long for me, so I will just do it again. And it has this like fold, something right here where you can fold or just like that. I will show it to you later. And the brand, there's no brand. Okay, so that's it for the tops, and the next two are cardigans. That one right there. And this cardigan, so I really love this one. It's definitely a steal. Like, I imagine myself wearing this at the beach, like parang cover up siya for my outfit or swimsuits. So it's a knitted cardigan in dirty white color. So it has these cutouts right here, like cut designs. Same sleeves. And this one's a lot thicker than the other one. So kung pang beach yun, ito naman like it's pwede for winter. So yung fabric na ginamit dito is like parang sa sweater talaga. It's really thick. So the brand is Christopher and Banks and it's in large size. So super laki niya sa akin. It has this padding right here. So para siya dito sa shoulders. I don't know why. Baka nagkamali lang sila. Joke! Now let's proceed to the bottom. So mostly skirts yung nabili ko and just one like jogger pants. So the first skirt that I got is yung super uso like sa mga aesthetic vibes. Makikita mo to sa Pinterest, mga Korean girls. It's white tennis skirt and guys, jackpot talaga to. Kasi walang stain when I got this. And imagine, it's just 80 pesos. So it's definitely a steal for me. So the brand is Miss Some and it's in medium size. So it's a bit maluwag lang sa akin.
765, right after be where I feel your sunshine.
So the next one that I got is this pink skirt. So may nalagyan siya ng belt dito and it's cute kasi you can buy those like yung belt na may mga heart din like chains and you can pair it with this one.
My surprise, she comes to me and locks my eyes.
So the next one that I got here is this denim skirt and it has two pockets here in front and there's no pocket at the back. So meron siyang like yellow linings dito, like ganyan talaga yung tahiya, yung yellow thing. Then it has this buttons right here in front. So what I don't like in this skirt, because I haven't worn this pa, is because the buttons fall off easily. Tanan! Like, it keeps on falling. So, buti na lang hindi ko pa ito nasuot because if I do, baka napahiya na ako in public kasi nga it falls off easily lang. I was excited to wear this denim skirt pa naman but it didn't go well. So, bibili na ako yung may zipper na lang sa front and no buttons because no.
You know what, I guess you're alright. She said I don't need to.
So, the next thing that I got is this high waist short. Wait lang. I already wore this when I went to Boracay. And it's this short. Okay, so it's a tattered short. High-waist tattered shorts, as you can see. And meron siyang like yellow linings dito. Yung parang caution. Guys, parang ganyan siya. So I will insert a picture right here when I wore this shirt. Second to the last of what I got here is another short which I really like. Well, does it look nice there? Does it look nice there? But what I don't like in this short is it doesn't fit me. Like it's 25 to 26 guys. So I bought this even though hindi kasha sa akin. And the last one in this haul is my super favorite one, which is this. Like it's a sweatpants. Na grid na naman, guys. I mean, flat. So it's garterized and has this where you can adjust yung garter. And it has two pockets right here in front. I mean, in the side. And one pocket at the back. I really love this one kasi if tinatamad ako mag-pants, then I can just wear this. It's very comfortable. I can sleep wearing this one. Kasi like parang pangbahay lang yung dating niya. Really stylish at the same time. So I can wear this with a turtleneck, a white or black turtleneck. Or you can go like a vibrant one like red or same na gray siya.
Right after be where I feel your sunshine.
And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe this video to your friends. And I hope you will stay tuned for my next video. Bye!
She said 9 to 5, I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365, I'd have to be where I